In this video, I will show how to activate a Trak-4 and get started with GPS tracking. First, plug in your Trak-4 for charging. We recommend 3 to 5 hours of charging to activate the Trak-4. You can use a typical cell phone charger with a micro USB connector, or you may use the provided USB cable connected to a cell phone charger, computer, or vehicle USB port. After the Trak-4 has been charging for a while, navigate to gps.trak4.com and don't forget the hyphen. Create your account and verify your email. On the Add Asset screen, insert the product key for your device. You can find the product key on the label on the bottom of your Trak-4. You can also add a useful name to describe what you will be tracking. On the Subscription Options page, you may select between monthly and prepaid annual options. The basic tier gives you reporting frequency options from 1 hour through 24 hour. The premium tier gives you 10-minute through 24 hour. The elite tier adds 1 minute, and the platinum tier adds 30-second tracking. And continue to payment. After you've submitted your payment, navigate to your tracker's dashboard. The longer the reporting frequency, the longer you get on a single battery charge. For example, on 24-hour reporting, you can expect more than 12 months on a single charge. However, on 1-minute reporting, 3 days to a few weeks is pretty standard, depending upon how often the asset moves. Click through to the FAQ for more information on expected battery life per reporting frequency option. It is important to keep in mind that the Trak-4 goes to sleep between reports to conserve battery. The Trak-4 will not change frequencies while it is asleep. When the device wakes up to send a GPS report, it will check for any requested reporting frequency changes. Now I'm going to change from 1 hour reporting to 1 minute reporting. The next time this Trak-4 reports in, it will change from 1 hour reporting to 1 minute reporting. Now let's set up some alerts. Glance at your dashboard screen. If you have not entered a phone number yet, you may enter a phone number. Now, I'm going to opt in to email and text message alerts. That opted us into alerts. Now we need to set up the individual alerts. I want an alert for low battery, and I want an alert for a geozone. Let's start with an alert for low battery. First, let's click on the battery sensor. Make sure that the switch is turned on to receive an alert when the battery gets down to 20%. Next, let's set up a geozone. First, select Account Level Geozones. This is important in case you add additional trackers. All of your future trackers will be aware of the geozones that you set up here. Let's put a geozone around Aspen, Colorado. When you click back on the first point of your geozone, a save dialog will appear. Don't forget to opt in to entry and exit alerts on the geozone. Let's check the report history screen. We can see that this Trak-4 has very consistent GPS signals. To verify this, check the location method column. If you see cell as the location method, that means your device had difficulty receiving the GPS satellite signal. The Trak-4 reverts to cell trilateration when a GPS satellite signal is too weak. Cell trilateration is very inaccurate compared to GPS. So we want to do whatever we can to make sure that your Trak-4 has at least a partial view of the sky so that it may receive a GPS satellite signal. If you see the Trak-4 going into cell trilateration mode, it can mean the Trak-4 does not have a clear enough view of the sky, there may be too much metal covering the Trak-4, the top of the Trak-4 might be obstructed. It is normal to temporarily lose GPS signal when entering large structures, such as parking garages, large buildings, etc. Generally, you will get good GPS signals from locating the Trak-4 in a plastic or non-metal container, or attached to a vehicle with a partial view of the sky, locating it under a car seat, or placing it in a backpack. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to help. Email us at support@trak4.com. Don't forget the hyphen. You can get that email address by clicking Contact Support on the left side of your screen.